Well, first, as you take a look here, the image itself, when we look at it, has a color cast, and we really want to remove that color cast and improve the contrast. So I'm going to show you a trick that I want you to do for your milestone submission. I also think that we need to, I could tell that you duplicated this area over here because it's almost identical, and there's a little area that's going out, so it's not in the right perspective down there. So this area right here, if you want to tweak it a little bit, I would definitely try to tweak it if you can for that purpose. So one thing as we know is that when it comes to color, gray is made up of three equal values of red, green, and blue. So I'm going to take my color sampler tool where the eyedropper is. I'm going to click down here in area where this should be gray. And I can see that there's a lot of reds and not that many blues. So that's indicating that there's a red color cast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create all the hue and saturations for the shoes there. So I'm going to create an adjustment layer called levels. What I want to do is I'm going to take this middle eyedropper called set to gray point, and this is a lovely little eyedropper because it sets wherever you click to gray, and it makes the three equal values. So when I click on that middle area, and if I go back to the info panel, you'll see that it's more, and one's a little above, that's fine, but notice again how that is equal, and that's what we want. Now this still can be brightened up, and I can tell by my histogram that over here on this right hand side, it thinks there's light areas but there's no pixels there. So I'm going to bring this over to the start of the histogram to improve the contrast. Now when I do that, look at the difference. So that's why I want you to experiment.